A blinking red light on a Jio modem is typically caused by network outages, which can trigger this issue. If suspected, it's best to contact Jio Fiber customer support to inquire about any planned maintenance or outages in the area. If an outage is confirmed, the only option is to wait for it to be resolved. However, if no outage is reported, the next step is to inspect the modem's wires for any damage or loose connections. To do this, the modem should be switched off, and the power and Ethernet cables should be unplugged. Both ends of these cables should then be checked for any signs of damage, burns, or wear. If damage is found, the cables should be replaced. Otherwise, they should be reconnected firmly to the modem or other peripherals. After reconnecting, the modem should be allowed to boot up, and then the blinking light should be checked again. If the issue persists, it's possible that the modem's firmware is outdated, which can expose it to bugs that interfere with its connectivity and performance. To address this, the latest firmware can be installed by visiting the Jio website, logging into the account, and following the instructions for updating the firmware. After the update, the modem should be checked again to see if the blinking has stopped.